Yo, it's your boy Calvin Mitchell, aka Big Cal. This is the very first episode of Kicking It with your boy Big Cal. And so, it's gonna be a simple little show about me going through different subjects and things of that nature. And sometimes I might even have guests on here. But this first episode is gonna be me rocking dolo. And the first subject we're gonna have for the very first episode of Kicking It with your boy Big Cal. And the subject is going to be loaning money to your friends or your family. And let me start off by saying this. Don't do it. Don't do it unless you get interest back on your money. Now, it's going to be a few of you out there saying, damn, Cal, you're going to charge interest on your on money when it comes to your friend and your family. Why not? Banks do it all the time. You can't go to the bank and be like, hey, I need a loan for getting a house, or I need a loan on doing a big wedding, or whatever the situation, whatever event that you got going on in your life. You just can't go over there and be like, hey, I need this amount of money. Well, then I'm trying to charge you some interest on it. And the reason why they charge interest is to make sure in good faith that you're going to pay that money back. And not only are you going to pay the money back that you took, but you're going to have to pay back for the time that the money that was taken from them, they could be using for other things on you. So you're just paying for conveniency, you're paying for just a good faith. So why not do that to the people that owe money to? At the end of the day, I done had real homies, or just ones I thought was real, ask me for example, $20. Hey Cal, man, hey, I'm fucked up right now. I need 20 $40. I need to, pay my light or whatever the situation is. And I'm like, all right, me being nigga I am, all right, hell yeah, man, I got you. Boom, boom, just pay me back when you can. That pay me back when you can turn into them not hearing from them at all, to them creating a whole nother Facebook, to them not even being a friend no more over something petty, when they could have been like, hey, man, I'm fucked up right now. I don't know when I'm going to pay you back, but I'm going to got this on paper. If I got this, I'm gonna make sure that I'm gonna pay you back at this time. This is how much I'm gonna pay you back, and like they just being upfront about it instead of being like, oh yeah, I'm gonna pay you back next week. Next week roll around, you don't see them, you don't talk to them. Motherfuckers mixing the action. Protect yourself. So even if you have to write a document, so even if it's on Facebook, because a lot of us is doing Cash App and shit. So if they ask for some money, all right, this was gonna be okay. If it's a loan is something that you're going to pay back. If you fucked up, or quote unquote, I don't have it right now, and I don't know when I'm going to have it, and you be straight up, a person will respect you more compared than you acting like you're going to have it, man. That's why if you're going to loan money to friends or family, no matter what the situation is, charge interest just like banks. You can hold these motherfuckers accountable. People got to be held accountable for when they borrow money. Because for a motherfucker like me, I got to work really, really, really hard for every dollar that I bring into my household. I want all money in, no money out. You feel me? But at the end of the day, it's up to me to know how to make my dollar work for me. If I'm borrowing money out and I'm never going to see it again, it's not going to work for me. But if I'm making sure I'm charging you interest, and I know that you're good on paying back on whatever date or the deadline that I set, that I will be more accessible to give you more money. Or instead of a little $20-$40, if you like, oh man, I need $200, or I need $500, if I got it and you pay me back with interest with no problem the first time, it won't be no problem for me to give you money, because I know I can trust you. We built that relationship just like if you would build a relationship with a bank. So if they really fuck with you and they really care about you, they care about care about you, they will respect what you coming from when you talking about charging interest. They'll respect it, because if they don't know what you go through on a daily, and they just see money but they don't know where it's coming from, but they want to ask you and they're not going to pay you back, they don't respect you. So my advice of this subject of the day about loaning money to your friends and family, do not do it. Don't do it, only because the simple fact is you don't want to ruin no relationships. But sometimes bridges get burnt down for a damn good reason. And money is a big reason why a lot of friendships, situationships, whatever ship it is, to just fall off the radar. But at the end of the day, though, man, if you got any questions or you got any comments or feeling about what I'm saying, do you feel like I'm being too rough, or you feel like I should be easier? No, I'm not gonna be easier. So subscribe. Tell me how you feel. I'm all ears for feedback. I'm all ears for feedback. Like I said, it's the very first episode, so shit gonna get deeper and deeper as these episodes keep coming around. But like I said, man, tell me what you think about loaning money to your friends and family, and tell me if I'm wrong, and if you got a way how you go about it, tell me how you go about it right here in the comment section. It's your boy, kicking it with Big Cow. You know what time it is. Fuck with me.